I'm super excited to be an instructor for the Paper Escape Winter Retreat, which is October 2nd to the 4th, and I will be teaching on the 2nd. Here are our 5 platinum classes with our 5 platinum sponsors, and it's so exciting. And here I'm going to do an unboxing, and if you get the platinum ticket, which is selling for $155 on June 1st, and then it will be $185 on June 2nd, and you will get everything that I'm showing you today plus more. So I am showing you what I have, but there will be much more. So you will also get the classes that are taught by our platinum instructors, which is Pink and Main, Jamie from Not Too Shabby, you have Amanda from Pear Blossom Press, you have Love from Lizzie, and we have 5 of them. I just went blank, but you've seen their picture, and I will put the details. This is from our VIP sponsors. We have Angie Bloom, Whimsy Stamps, and we also have Kinda Cute by Patricia, and 2 of those are our new sponsors. Yay. So I'm going to go through some of the kits that I have, and this is 12 by 12 cardstock, and these companies are so special to have donated to us, and a big special thank you to Lynn also, and Julie and Meg, because that's how this has been possible with our amazing sponsors, Lynn, Julie, and Meg. And so look how awesome this kit is. So I assume it's a fall shaker that you'll be able to make. Look at this beautiful cardstock from 12 by 12 cardstock. So after the VIP tickets sell out, then you can buy a VIP ticket, but you won't get everything in this kit. You will get the initial kit, which is the stamp set and the paper, and what I'm going to show you at the end, but you won't get everything like this from Graphic 45. You will not get any from 12 by 12 cardstock, so you're going to want to make sure and check out all the information and get, if you can, I recommend the platinum ticket. It's so unique because we have so many amazing sponsors. Here is Emily Moore. You will either get a moth or a cake gift card holder. So it's so neat. I'm super excited to own this die. And you will get a thank you, and when you get this kit, you will get a coupon. And so thank you, Emily, and thank you to our amazing sponsors. Again, I cannot say, like, we just want to give them so much love. Love from Lizzie. She's going to be teaching a class. I'm so excited. She gave us some paper, we love these stickers, right? She gave us cardstock. We have ephemera, so I'm super excited to see her class. And again, you're going to want to see her class and get this kit so you can craft along with her. So exciting. So again, that is the platinum ticket at $155, and it will go to $185. So try and get it at $155. And once these platinum tickets, you will get the VIP on sale, and then bonus. And first ever, you can pre-order the stamp set and the paper pad that I'm going to share at the end. You can pre-order extra of those. So amazing. Here's Pink and Ming. She's going to be teaching, and look at the fabulous die she got us, or gave us. I'm so excited for this die. All of those dies, I love them, so I'm super excited. And we have sequins and cardstock, and so amazing. And so you're gonna want you're gonna want all this. It's a fear of, what is it, FOMO. Look at Jamie's kit, is so cute. I love those critters, and I'm hoping that she'll have this paper pad on sale in the shop. And you get sentiments, and I have my fan on full blast, so things might fly away off my desk, so I didn't want to lose anything. And here's some lace here, and so pretty. So I love everything, and I will, if I forget anything, I will just put it in the description. And please watch Lynn's video, she will have a video as well. And I'm sure the other instructors who are teaching, like Julie and Meg, you will see more information. We also have yeah, we have other instructors, like I should have put the picture in here, but we have Walter, and yeah, so you'll want to check everybody out. We have Walter and I believe Brian. Don't quote me because I have a bad memory. And that came from 12 by 12 cardstock. See, I don't want to lose anything, so I'm gonna try and put this to the side and not lose anything. I'll just have to look at this video and see what went with what. Okay, so cardstock, so and envelopes, and that goes with our initial kit. And you also get a mini kit too. So, and this is Pear Blossom Press's kit, so you get this amazing light, and we got a special light because there's a story behind that, but we got the best light. So that is why this platinum is so special. So here's our initial kit. It's so amazing. I'm so excited for this kit. I'm going to be teaching a class using this kit. That washi was from High Supply. You'll either get a washi or washi stickers. So here you get 2 tape runners. One is a dot tape runner, and then one is the regular strip. And here is the tape, I guess how you would say it. So here is a cute Christmas kit that Lynn put together, and everybody will have a different kit. And so here is our fabulous Legendary Critters kit. So you get stencils. You get these 3 stencils, and it was so awesome how they put this kit together. You get all this cardstock, and it's cut in half to fit in this bag, but they are considered 8 by 10 sheets. They're just cut in half. Look at this amazing ribbon. You get red and like a yellow gold. You get all these embellishments, so you can make a shaker card. You got enamel dots, and this you get a pin. Everybody will get a different pin. There's 2 different options, I think. And then there is a die set, and this die set coordinates perfectly with the stamp set, and it just happened to go that way. So this is just a perfect kit. So look at these Legendary Critters. Aren't they cute? Which one is your favorite? I love the sentiments as well, so I'm super excited to own a stamp like this. I've never had one like this, and it's for all year round, which is so fun. And I have a son, so I'm excited that I have these to make for my kids and for whoever else. It's just amazing. And you'll also get some pre-colored die cuts in this kit that are colored by the instructors. And so and you'll just want to check out all the details of what comes in the platinum and what comes in the VIP. Look at this tag die. I thought it was so cool to see that it cuts this sentiment out perfectly, and I love tags, so that is so awesome. So, and then there's those dies that you can stamp the sentiment, and it will fit perfectly on those those rectangle dies there. So I thought that was super amazing as well. So I just cannot say how excited I am to be teaching and have everything here today to show you. And here are those pre-colored die cuts. colored by the instructors. I think these are colored by Meg, so everyone will get different ones. And look at this cardstock. Isn't it so pretty? I just want to hoard it. But I'm going to use it to teach, of course. And here is the amazing paper. So you can pre-order more packs of this paper. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. And you can pre-order the stamp set between June 1st and June 15th. So check all the details. I don't want you to miss out. And thank you for joining me today.